Welcome to today's news.
TNSTU Recruitment 2025 apply for 3,274 driver cum conductor posts at arasubus.tn.gov.in. Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation TNSTU has invited applications for driver cum conductor posts. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website of TNSTU at arasubus.tn.gov.in. This recruitment drive is for filling up the vacancy of 3,274 posts in the organization. Vacancy details: Metropolitan Transport Corporation Limited 364 posts, State Express Transport Corporation TN Limited Chennai 318 posts, TNSTU Villupuram 322 posts, TNSTU Kumbakonam 756 posts, TNSTU Salem 486 posts, TNSTU Coimbatore 344 posts, TNSTU Madurai 322 posts, TNSTU Tirunelveli 362 posts. Eligibility criteria: candidates should have passed the class 10 or SSLC. The candidates must speak, read and write in Tamil, possession of valid heavy transport driving license, and must have minimum 18 months of heavy vehicle driving experience. First aid certificate, badge and valid conductor license obtained on or before January 1, 2025. Age limit: the age limit of candidates should be 24 years. Application fee: the application fee is 1,180 excluding bank service charge, and SC/ST category candidates will have to pay 590 as application fee. How to apply? Visit the official website of TNSTU at arasubus.tn.gov.in. Click on TNSTU Recruitment 2025 registration link. Candidates will have to register online. Online registration is not logged into the account. Fill the application form and make the payment of application fee. Click on submit and download the page. Keep a hard copy of the same for further needs. For more related details, candidates can visit the official website of TNSTU.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com. Thank you.